Good morning, YouTube. Today's the day I've been waiting for. Finally get to start working on this Mustang project. Let's get after it. I gotta put something out on there. Even though it ain't gonna be.
Don't put me on
it. No, you gonna be on it.
The first part of it, we can do that.
See, y'all need to do something like nobody does. Like, y'all both got bellies. You could like
That fucking
paint
bad
your
joke?
stuff.
Y'all could do y'all could just
We can paint our bellies.
their bellies.
Something.
Yeah, you're good.
Tools.
There you go. You don't know what you're doing.
You don't know what you're doing.
I don't. What are we doing? Oh, I need to get a hose.
Yeah. You didn't buy the right white radiator hose?
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah, but it's because the radiator's supposed to, the original one goes inside that.
Yeah.
So they're long as fuck, boy.
That's his fuck boy.
It might have been it. I don't know.
No, I just took it off the charger. I ran it down earlier and put it back on charger because I knew Hank was coming. Ain't no point in having Hank over here if I can't put him on camera. That's what I'm good for.
He trying to go viral.
He's already gone viral once.
That's what he gonna make me do it again. He gonna make me do it again. Look, how does I feel, bro?
Got put a fucking clamp on. Well, we got to trim it.
Have you seen that video with the
You got the right hose? I had it on there. It should be warm.
Yes.
All right, test it. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, get that fucking red ribbon out there. What is that?
Let's go trim it. You said it wasn't the right one.
It is the right one.
No.
Motherfucker. Wait, what's the other one go to? The top?
Yep. I guess.
You know they're gonna be an hour worth of footage after I'm done editing. It's all gonna be us sitting here and just talk shit. You don't get no work done.
And people are gonna love us, dude. We're gonna go viral. We're gonna be like Hank and Mike's new shop. We're gonna be viral.
You don't come out here enough for that.
Because you're scared.
You scared.
That's why your wife had to call you out.
You know where I live.
You know my number.
I don't know your number.
Oh, see?
I don't know it. I gotta look it up.
Max, tell him. Mag would like it if I come in here all the time.
Max said you gay anyway.
This shit. That ain't my shit. Hey.
I know. I just replaced the blade, so this ain't the right one.
Yeah, you can trim it.
That's the one
I'll let you trim it. It's your car.
I'm sure. Oh, where's that other one at? Damn, you gotta get serious. Like my little rat. I did flush it out though, make sure there wasn't no rats in there.
That's good.
I'm
So
thinking.
that look good.
Make sure they're rats.
I mean, this thing sitting in a shed for 30 years.
I bet it is.
Oh, she going?
Is that short?
Oh shit! Oh, motherfucker, too short.
Short?
Motherfucker, how fuck's it ever gonna reach the fucking original one? Maybe it was close to
it'll
this
be
one.
alright.
No, look. Motherfucker, too short. That's a lot.
Try the other one then.
I was, but look, it's a lot smaller.
Try
Motherfucker, look.
it. Try it and see.
No. Yeah, that one don't fit. It's just long as shit.
Yeah.
Hey, that shit ain't gonna work. You ain't got the right angle on it. So I'm about to angle into so the original one's probably closer to over here. That's probably why.
Yep.
Yeah, stretch them.
See, it's stretched.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, see? You're born there. Put a clamp on it.
But I can't even put that on there yet.
No,
You gotta put a fan on.
You right.
See, that's what I'm saying. Everything I do, I gotta do something else before I can do that.
Alright, so where the fan at?
It's in the car, but I can't put a fan on until I do something with this shit.
Well, then let's do some of that shit.
But I can't put the fan on top of I can put the belt on afterwards, but I don't have the belts. I gotta go get them.
Well, we ain't gonna get them tonight at 10.
Nah. We just fuck with the brake shit, I think.
You wanna fuck with brakes?
Yeah. Why are you filming the fucking ground?
He was just filming the garage door.
Hey, don't worry about that. I'm trying to make this thing come out. I'm fixing it. I'm fixing it.
You're still facing the door. Oh no, you're not.
I'm facing your fat ass. Oh. See?
I tell you, this jack, it don't get high enough, bro.
Uh-huh.
What you doing? Loosen me up?
I ain't losing you.
Yeah, why?
He's jacking it up. I'm recording. He's jacking it up.
I think you're recording the board.
Oh shit, I got it. My impact wouldn't take the bolts off the bed of my truck.
Yeah.
So I had to go buy this.
You had to buy it, or you got it from Baker Hughes?
No, I bought it.
Oh.
Baker Hughes ain't got no shit like this.
Bullshit, I had one of them.
Not me. They didn't give me the cool shit.
Oh.
You didn't see that?
You break it, you buy.
That's the first time that tire has been off that dolly in about 5 years.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that because you're scared or what?
Yeah, pretty much. You hear it was stuck to it. It's like.
What do you want to do?
Huh?
Oh, you gonna take your wheel off?
Yeah. Yeah. I got cause like greaser or the bleeder valve. I gotta change it out. A lot easier with the wheel. Catch me if it falls.
Wait, hang on, I got to move the selfie stick so you can see what's going on.
Yeah. You got my butt crack on there.
I already did. All white part of it.
Ain't seen no sun in a while.
It ain't no sunshine.
Oh. Man, I wish you could listen to music. That's good. It's a good jam. The fuck was that? Hey, why don't you put some brake fluid in the thingamajig?
In the dilly bog?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that. Blicker, blicker, blicker.
See? I tell you he's gay.
I mean, fuck. I remember my first time taking tire off, bro.
Well, I told you, when you do it by hand, it take a little while.
Oh,
I gotta get these tires over, man.
Huh?
I gotta get these tires off.
Yeah, they a little bit dry on it.
Where?
What?
Fucking
Well,
crap
we
in there.
ain't gonna talk about that right now on the TV.
There ain't no dry rod in there.
Come on.
I bet the date is old fuck on.
Oh, you.
All right.
1987.
Fuck, got it stripped out. Alright, let me grab some tools in there. Hope we can get it off of there. I don't give a shit.
You gonna give a shit when it's all over your shit?
Nah. Jennifer do laundry anyway.
Till she see this post.
Ah, fuck. These things cheap piece of shit.
What, they strip?
Yeah, they're just flexing.
Put some PB blaster on.
See, then I think it's because it's so rounded. My wife gonna be like, what the fuck are you doing?
This is a 916. My shit just restarted.
Yeah, hello, Moto. Oh, yeah, we got it.
Yeah.
I'll beat it out later. Just put it in. Actually, I might beat it out probably for the next time.
Oh.
Come on, baby. Work for me. I hope this is the right shit. They sent me the wrong filter. Fuel filter.
Did it?
Got a lot of shit leaking in here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I wonder how much battery I got left. All right, get your ass in there and pump the brake, bro.
Hey, bro.
Oh yeah, 65%.
Trying to fix your shit. You gotta be more
My SD card's about halfway. Hey, John.
What the hell are y'all here beating on?
I told you.
Oh, right here, come here.
I told you. All right, get in there and pump the brakes, bro.
Tell her nobody go.
Blinker, blinker, blinker.
Yeah, you know how.
Yeah.
Tanner.
You should let him get that big tall dog. And then you have like mini tanks. That'd be funny.
Tanner.
I don't need no more of them motherfuckers.
Yeah, I'll take them.
All right, I'm gonna jack this up and then you roll this up under there.
Was it a female dog? No.
Hank's a female dog.
He's shaking. I know. Somebody tried to give him a haircut the other day.
Almost.
He was trying to give him like a
Hey.
top hair. She's.
Without damaging it. Ooh, that's not good. All right. Actually, that wouldn't have been bad. It's sitting right now. The plan needs some longer bolts. But temporary fix. It'll be alright. Are you serious? Doesn't sound like it. Nope. Well, that ain't gonna freaking work. Let me try something else. I'm thinking it was all that stuff. Alright. Drilling we shall go. What a mess this thing is. That's going to conclude episode 1. We didn't get done as much as we'd like, but it gives us an idea of where we need to go going forward and what parts we need to order. Stay tuned for the next one.